back, everyone. You may be in a position where your VPN on your Android phone is just not working for some reason. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend you to take a look at is actually seeing and making sure you're connected to a solid network connection. So you want to go inside of your settings app, you want to go and click on connections right here, and you want to make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good, your cell connection is good, whichever connection you have, you want to make sure it's a solid connection, because if it isn't, it can cause some issues, and that's probably the number one thing people are going to have problems with. So as soon as you verify you're on a solid connection, what you want to do then is make your way over to any other app. You can make your way over to the Play Store, Google Chrome, any other app, and make sure you're able to load up all these things on the specific application. Now, if you get a panel that says something like, oh, no network connection or something like that, then you can verify that the network connection that you're on is not a solid network connection, and you're going to have to go ahead and get that fixed before moving on. So that's another massive thing you're going to have to remember. You cannot go and use any other application while your network connection is bad, especially a VPN. Now, obviously you can use apps, but if they require a network connection like VPN, you're going to have to get that fixed before going forward. Now, let's say that doesn't seem to be the issue and your VPN still seems to be not working, but you have a solid network connection. Well, then you have to kind of check your actual VPN connection. Now, if you go through your settings, depending on your phone, sometimes there may be a VPN setting right here. You kind of have to kind of search for it on your specific device. Now, if you don't have a VPN set up through your settings app, there's still a bunch of other apps that have this opportunity to do so. So you can click on the top right corner right here, you can click add VPN profile, and there's a bunch of VPNs all across the internet you can choose from. But what most people do, like what I've done before, is I go into my Play Store, I type in VPN like this, and I pretty much just download any free VPN that's out there that's highly rated, like this one, 100 million plus downloads, and I pretty much move on from there and I use this specific application. Now, if this application doesn't work and the VPN is not working, then I will go down to a different application like this one, and I will download this one and use it. If this one doesn't work, I'll use a different one, and so on and so forth, and I'll pretty much just keep moving forward, and I'll just keep using these VPNs. And that's another thing I would do, those are the main ways to go ahead and fix it. As long as your phone has a solid network connection and your phone doesn't have any crazy issues, and also, the VPN app that you're using is good, then it should be good to go for the most part. You can also try updating the VPN apps if you're using a VPN app. If not, you can always go to your settings app like right here and then put a VPN manually this way, which this way hasn't really worked out for me that well. Typically, I download an application and then it works this way. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.